So guys, in this video we are going to generate harmonies for our vocal by using Audimee AI. So this is a track I made and here's the vocals. So give it a listen. Can you tell me why no, why no, why no? Is there something I know? Even when I like though, it's hard to find the right code. Baby, why you crying now, crying now, crying now? So in order to make the harmonies, we need to export our vocal first. So we successfully exported the vocal. Now go to the Audimee website, the link is in the description. So on the very left side we have 3 vocal tools here. To make the harmonies, just click on make harmonies. Now click here and upload your vocals. Now click here and select your vocal key. My vocals are on C major scale, so I have to click on C major scale. Now when you scroll down, you will be able to see 5 options to add voices manually to create harmony for your vocal. And if you're also beginner like me, then you can able to use preset from here. And I'm going to use the first one, Poppy 3rd and 5th. Let's see how it sounds.
Can you tell me why no, is there something I know, even when I like those hard to find the right code, baby, why you crying now, crying now, crying now?
So as you can see, our harmony is sounding great and natural. And for my vocal, this preset is enough. I don't want to add any more vocals for the harmony. So now let's export the harmonies. Now we have to wait for a few seconds to let our harmonies get exported. Now click on the download icon and download your harmonies. Now after the download, unzip the file. And inside the file you will get 2 different folders. In one you have processed vocal and other one have unprocessed vocals. Now I'm going to add and adjust the harmonies vocal one by one.
Can you tell me why no?
Can you tell me why no, why no, why no?
Can you tell me why no, why no, why no?
So being honest with you guys, I was not expecting the vocal would be this natural. I mean, this is really impressive. I never thought that it will be like this.
Why now? Is there something I know? Even when I like though, it's hard to find the right code.
So I finally adjusted the harmony vocal. Now let's see the result.
Can you tell me why no, why no, why no? Is there something I know? Even when I like though, it's hard to find the right code. Baby, why you crying now, crying now, crying now?
So guys, if you like the Audimee Harmony Maker, then make sure to check it out. Link is in the description. Have a nice day guys. Bye bye.